Good afternoon, everyone, and I hope that all of you are safe and healthy at your places. Today with us, we are having a current student who is currently pursuing MSc Marketing Practice at Smurfit Business School. So, hi Mohit, I would like you to please introduce yourself and the course that you are studying at UCD.
Well, first of all, thank you for connecting with me, Ms. Shagun. So yeah, my name is Mohit Jain and I'm from India. I currently pursue Masters in Marketing Practice from UCD Smurfit.
That's great. So I hope that you have landed safely to India and currently you and your family members are safe and secure.
Yeah, I am safe and I hope everyone else is safe as well.
Absolutely, yes. So Mohit, moving back to the month of August and September, I would like you to please share your experience of moving to a new country. What was the feeling being at the university campus? How was you feeling during the transit?
Well, it was the very first time I was traveling abroad all alone, that too in a country where I didn't know anyone. So to be honest, it was a mixed experience of feelings. I was joyful, I was nervous as well, and I was excited to have new experiences. So during my initial days at the college campus, I decided to explore the campus, and to be very honest, I was like it was extremely beautiful. I then registered myself with few of the good societies as well. Later on, I was headed towards the orientation week, where I was introduced about the university, the college, as well as my course. So I met few of the people around there. They were lovely by their heart, and they all were from different countries, different cultures, different backgrounds. They all were excited as me, and they all wanted to make new friends and experiences.
Oh, that's great. So talking about the course of MSc practice that you are studying at UCD, how do you find this program, its curriculum, the structure, and how is your experience with the faculty members?
Well, to be very honest, it's a very unique course. You will not It's not like a usual marketing course you get. So MSc in marketing practice is tailored in a company environment. So just like a company works, we have to wear suits every day. We have set working
Oh,
hours of 9 to 5. We have been given a separate office space instead of a classroom. So the basic idea about this course is we gain our market knowledge through practical experiences rather than theory knowledge.
okay.
So we get regular client projects from companies ranging from different industries, be it B2B or B2C, and it includes both multinational companies as well as startups. So the main crux is about we make their marketing strategies, we research the market, prepare presentations, and implement those strategies in the best way possible. I'm coming to the faculty members. So we have a course director. He is very reputed throughout Europe. We have two marketing managers and a marketing consultant, which helps us to deliver those client projects in the much professional manner.
Oh, that's great. So I think the program is very much industry based and it's preparing the students and building up their practical skill sets.
Yes, definitely. There
Okay.
is a lot of practical exposure about the European market as well as the other continents.
Okay. So as we all know that marketing is considered as to be quite demanding and a market leading profession. And so how do you think that this program of MSc marketing practice at Smurfit prepares you for the real world?
Well, I definitely agree with you. Marketing is quite competitive, and we can say a difficult one. But coming into the MSc in marketing practice, as I said before, that we work closely with clients and real companies on day-to-day basis. So it's a year-long program where we conduct market research and interact with those companies. So we get a whole lot experience about how the real world works in terms of marketing. So yes, when it comes to career as well, I am getting knowledge about what are the real issues that a marketing firm would resolve for a company, what are the different steps, and what is a client expecting from us.
Okay. And how about your experience in terms of the on-campus services and facilities that we have for the career development for our students?
Well, UCD has given a lot of, they have helped us in a lot of ways. So they have, during this pandemic period, they have given us virtual platforms to conduct all the research, to interact with team members, clients. As well, coming to the career cell as well, the career cell is very much efficient. So they help us with every information that is required, which company is hiring, which is not hiring, which can be beneficial for you according to your profile.
Mhm.
So I think it's a very good experience interacting with those career cells as well. We also have guest speakers all around, all over the course. So those guest speakers range from different industries. They are the company directors, CMOs, which help us to gain an insight into the marketing world. So this also helps us to develop our career better in the marketing field.
Okay, so what is the current project that you're working on?
Well, as it said, according to company norms, we are not allowed to tell you. But
All right.
giving it a crux, I'm working on a B2C company. So it's much more of a practical experience of conducting interviews and then making strategies.
Okay, great, no problem. And talking about the situation that we all are facing nowadays, that's the COVID-19. What is your opinion about that?
As I said, it's a quite unique course. So even after coming back to Delhi, I'm still working every day 9 to 5 and coping up with the company projects, coping up with my team members from all around the world. So one thing I have learned during this pandemic is about how to work in different time zones and with different cultures and backgrounds together and effectively deliver those client projects or assignments in the best way possible. All I can say is that you get um, benefited through all the hard times when you go through, and most importantly, we all are learning and growing as well.
Okay, that's lovely. And I'm glad that you are getting the kind of learning that you actually expected to come out of the program, and you're having a great experience being a part of UCD. So, Mohit, thank you so much for joining us today. It was great having you today, and thank you for sharing your experience. It will definitely help up the prospective students for the program. I would like you to please share how the students who, in case they have any queries or questions, can reach out to you.
Sure, it was my pleasure to connect with you and all the prospective students as well. So coming to connecting with me or the MSc in marketing practice, you can connect with either of your agencies, or you can connect directly with us on the social media platforms with the handle as MSc Marketing Practice. We are available on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn.
Okay, great. So thank you so much, Mohit, and hope that everything goes well. The situation that's there, we all are facing globally, and wish you all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.